Wendy was asking, when something is called ornamental, does it also mean it's an edible? So, like a pepper. I will say this does apply to a lot of peppers. I don't know if it applies to every single one or not, but I do know that like Parkseed has this. I think it's called like Easter pepper variety. It is
Right.
gorgeous and it has like these purple, like it is an ornamental pepper and it's absolutely beautiful, but it is edible, but it is like super, super hot and it's not supposed to be like quite as good as the other. Yeah, right here. So technically, like this one is an ornamental, but it is edible as well. Now, I don't know if that applies to every single one. Do you know?
I just think a lot of these ornamental ones, like you could eat it, but you're not going to want to do it twice. Like it just
Yeah.
doesn't taste great, or it doesn't. Even if it's hot, it doesn't have the same type of like jalapenos are hot, but they also have another flavor that I like about it. And when I've tried, because I'm the type of person I've tried these ornamental ones, be like, well, what's the difference? And after I eat it, like it just like tastes a little bitter. It just doesn't it
Yes.
just
Yes,
doesn't
I
taste
think
good.
that's the difference. It is a little
Yeah,
bit bitter. Like, it's just not the
yeah.
same, but technically, yes, it is edible. You can eat it.
But I think a lot of these too, like wildlife, will tend to eat them a lot more as well, like stuff like birds and maybe not peppers,
Yes.
but like a lot of these plants that are ornamentals may not be necessarily edible for you, but for wildlife they are. So there's other benefits if you like supporting supporting the birds out there.